These are the 3 business lessons that I learned from the real estate business that I really think you can apply to any business. If you are thinking about starting business, real estate's extremely a hard business. I always joke, like if I went into any other business, I'd probably crush it. So number one is competition is fierce, right? So if you're going to get into business, just know there are other people in the game, and that means you have to try to be the best you possibly can be, because there's always competition. You're not the only one in business. The number two thing that I learned is patience is key. You have to be ambitious. Of course, that's business, is being ambitious. You're striving to move fast. You want to get it done. You want to make $1 million tomorrow. You want to make all this crazy money and have all these opportunities. But be ready to endure the slow process. When I look at Arthur's and I business and how it grew, I didn't even buy myself real estate investment properties until I was in business for about 10 years. So just think about that. I wanted everything on year one and I didn't get it for 10 years. So just be ready to endure the slow process, but try to go as fast as you can. The third lesson I learned in business is client care. That's your longevity. You know, a lot of times when people start making money, they forget about all their clients that helped them get to this level. So you have to be smart about it. Your clients come first. Always take care of your clients. I mean, if somebody's an asshole, get rid of them. But most clients are great. So if they're good, make sure you take care of your people, and that should help your business sustain and continue to grow. I hope these lessons help you. If they do, like and comment below. I hope you have the best time building your business.